fryer.
It looks fine to me.
Where's my fries, dude?
Oh shit!
Yeah, I'm the deep fryer repairman. I'm here to check this thing out. Yeah, it looks to me, dude. I don't know.
Oh, look, you say it's fine. Hold on. All right, so a little bit of blood here. That's all right. Maybe if I could just take a look at it, it should be good, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe, just maybe, there's nothing wrong with the deep fry.
Oh fuck! What the fuck is up with this deep?
No, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm from that. No more f***ing with the deep fry. Stop, stop,
I
stop.
always thought it was the ice cream.
Ah!